Mm-hmm. 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 Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making beef stroganoff. You will need 1 pound of beef sirloin steak, 3 cups of beef broth, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of onion, 12 ounces of egg noodles, 1/4 cup of sour cream, 8 ounces of mushrooms, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, and 3 teaspoons of salt. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to a pot of water, then bring to a boil. Add the egg noodles, then allow it to cook for 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, turn off your heat, then rinse your noodles under cold water, then set them aside until later. Place your sliced steak in a bowl, then season with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Now mix, making sure that each piece has been well coated. Using medium-high heat, bring your pan to temperature, then add your olive oil. Now cook your steak in small batches, making sure to achieve a nice sear on both sides. Remove your steak from the pan and set it aside until later. Reduce your temperature to medium, then melt your butter. Now saute your onions for 3 minutes. Now add your mushrooms and saute for an additional 3 minutes. Sprinkle in your flour and mix until your flour has turned a golden brown. Now pour in the beef broth and mix until well combined. Return the steak to the pan, then add your Worcestershire sauce, salt, pepper, and sour cream. If you'd like a printable version of this recipe, please visit soulfoodcooking101.com. A link is in the description below. Now mix until well combined. Bring your liquid to a light boil, then simmer for an additional 10 minutes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel. Well,